the 7th of December 2023, and we had a busy night. After the shop closed, we sold 2 bikes. We sold this little ML Calypso and the bike behind it, the Rally Stonefly, that I think you saw me build earlier in the week, maybe a bit before. I'm sure there's a video for that. So we sold 2 bikes overnight. We also sold some of our cycled things. So we make sort of plant pots and coasters out of recycled bicycle parts. So we sold a couple of those overnight. So let's have a look at how beautiful and fresh CycleRecycle or Kessingland looks this morning. It's not good. So it's really dark, really dingy, really dark. I don't think the camera's picking up just how miserable it is. You can see the lights on the shop. So those bikes out. As always, tons to do. Our new opening times are here. As you can see, we're no longer open on Sundays. And we've even got our Christmas opening times up. So we're going to be shut from Christmas Eve right through till New Year's Day. So if you need anything, come and see us before then, because we won't be open. I need to set up the snowman so the kids can see how many days till Christmas. I'm hoping customers going to come in at some point today to pick up their bicycles. But yeah, so I'm going to get into it. So guy's just come and picked up his G-Tech. He's happy as Larry. Next job is this bike in a box. So you can book this online with us. So if you've seen a bike that you want and it's online and you want it built up properly, then visit our website www.cyclerecycleuk.com. Click on the workshop and you can book a bike build there. So this is a little kiddie's bike. He's telling me it's blue, but that's about it. So this is probably a Chinese bike, I expect. Come from China or Vietnam or somewhere. There's very little details on it, but let's get it built up. Okay, this one is done, this little kid's bike. I'm going to do a review of the bike for the One Take bicycle reviews. But this one's done. I'll let the customer know so they can come and collect it, and someone can have that for Christmas. So I just wanted to show you really quickly the pile of aluminium we've got from all the wheels that I've done in the last few days. And then here I've got some aluminium bikes that have got to be chopped up, so I'll be starting that tomorrow. But all of the waste wheels are now done, so the next job, and I'm trying to be sensitive to my neighbour, I'm videoing too much, but all of these wheels actually got through the first selection, so I've also got to go through all of those and make sure they're clean, make sure they're working, and almost do like a quality control on these ones. And there is a lot of bicycle wheels in here, so that's going to be my next tasks, I think, is just concentrate on getting these ones sorted out. So today I built that little bike, I've had a job picked up, and I have finished cutting through all the spokes on all the old derelict wheels. I'm now going to go and tidy up and finish off doing the social media and bits and pieces that I've got to do today. Thank you very much to our new subscribers, you're very welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, just a simple click and you can join the club. To all our current subscribers, thank you so much, we are really grateful that you're here, it really means the world to us. If you could share our videos, that would be amazing, the more the merrier. But we'll see you bright and fresh tomorrow.